How to contact Best Buy customer service. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Best Buy customer service and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option. Contact Best Buy. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now here you're gonna find different topics. Go ahead and select the topic in which you are having the issue, orders and purchases, your account, Best Buy membership, product repair and support, Best Buy stores, or other reasons. I'm gonna select orders and purchases. After you select any of the topics, scroll down. You're gonna get the solutions for it. Likewise, you will also find the option of chat online. Click on the option of chat now. Now here you can type in your message and send it, and you can have conversation with Best Buy customer service. Just type in the message and you can send it. With that, Best Buy customer service team will get back to you. So that's the wrap for this video. This is how you can easily contact Best Buy customer service. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.